The temperatures are just barely starting to cool off, and we're just days away from what could be our very first frost. We are drawn to the woods this time of year to gather the wild food that has been growing all summer long. We've already gathered lots of hickory nuts, and there are tons of black walnuts on the ground by the house. But we are in search of the late summer fruits and berries, and maybe some medicinals for our home apothecary. There are 4 things we're looking for today out there in the woods.